Hello everyone, this is Moshe the Electric Israeli, and I put a video a couple of days ago. I'll put you a link comparing the Tesla Model 3 with the Tesla Model Y, and there are so many similarities. They look the same. One is bigger, obviously, prices, but it's very, very similar, and the Model Y is going to be hopefully a fantastic addition to the Tesla lineup for one of the most popular segments in America. But you know what? Let's compare the Tesla Model X with the Tesla Model Y. There are two SUVs, obviously, compact crossovers. And let's go just through the numbers. And the reason I'm doing it, it's not because they're really apples to apples. It is apples to, I don't know, to meatballs. It's completely two different things. Yes, the only thing that they have in common, they are both cars. That's it. Tesla Model X is one of the most revolutionizing, incredibly designed, crazy car that Elon Musk said was never designed before and should never be designed after. And I absolutely agree with him. Just few numbers, because yes, it is a car. Yes, it is a crossover. But that's, again, where it ends. So Tesla Model X, it's a supreme luxury car that starting price is $88,000. And whenever I give prices for any cars, they are excluding any options. Options is up to you. So it's $88,000 for the base model that will give you 295 miles. The Tesla Model Y, the model that is now available to configure, is $47,000 for 300 miles. So I want to compare these two. I don't want to compare the base model that will have 230 miles, because it's not the same thing. So 295 miles against 300 miles, basically the same. $88,000 base price for the X, $47,000 for the Y. It's almost twice as much. So that's where everything ends, because the technology in Tesla Model X is just out of this stratosphere. Tesla Model Y, for example, weighs 5,421 pounds. Okay, it's a very heavy car. I don't have the number for the Tesla Model Y yet, because it's not out there yet. The interior of the Tesla Model X is a carbon copy of the Tesla Model 3. One screen, minimal of the minimal. Not much going on. Some people love it, some people don't. I'm somewhere in between. Okay, the Tesla Model X has the big 17-inch screen in the center, and the gauge in the front of the wheel, the steering wheel, and of course, obviously, I'm getting into it now. The Falcon doors should never be designed again, because they were so complex. They are so amazing. They are so cool. They are so incredible. Hence the $88,000. But the Tesla Model Y is just regular 4 doors, regular traditional doors. We don't have the towing capacity, the towing capabilities, or the towing abilities of the Tesla Model Y. Would you even be able to attach something to tow? But Tesla Model X does have that capability, and it's a 5,000-pound towing capability. Interestingly enough, and amazingly enough, the Tesla Model Y is going to have a whole glass from the beginning all the way to the end. I don't know if you can see, right here where my hand is, there's a bar here for the Tesla Model 3. The Tesla Model Y is going to have one big glass. Amazing, beautiful. That is really freaking amazing. The Tesla Model X doesn't have this here. Let me show you. See here, right here. The Tesla Model 3 has it, just like the Model S, and the Model X has this great glass all the way where the Falcon doors start. So it's not all the way, obviously, but it's halfway, which is really, really amazing. So the outside and the inside of the Tesla Model X versus Tesla Model Y are completely different. There's no resemblance whatsoever. None whatsoever. Even the Tesla Model X, which is based on the Tesla Model S, still, except for the front fascia, it's a completely different car, and that's because of the amazing Falcon doors that make it. So it is a comparison. They do have 7 seats, but we did not see the third row in the Tesla Model Y. We do know about the Tesla Model X, and they are great in and out. You can have 6 seats as well, 5, 6, and or 7. So it's great getting in and out. I mean, I have friends who have Model X. I can easily sit in the third row of the Tesla Model X. I cannot imagine sitting in the third row of Tesla Model Y. There's no way that a big guy like me, 6'2", is gonna be able to sit there. But it is a crossover. You know, it is from the same family, so you can do some comparison, but it's two different leagues completely. Having said that, I will not discount people who will trade in their Model X for a Model Y. You know why? Because they like it. Because they just do it. Not because of need. Okay, if I own the Tesla Model X, I don't think I'm going to go down to Tesla Model Y. Unless I needed a new car, and that would be that. All right, guys. That's it. Let me know what you think. Maybe other things that you can compare, contrast. Help me change the world one electric car at a time. Please subscribe. I'll see you tomorrow in another video.